Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle unbox and review episode. In today's episode we are going to be reviewing the Ducati Monster S4, which is a licensed special edition 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a special edition window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Maisto. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale licensed special edition diecast replica of the Ducati Monster S4, which is manufactured by Maisto. And at first glance, this diecast motorcycle looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. So with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The Ducati Monster is a naked bike designed by Miguel Angel Galluzzi and produced by Ducati in Bologna, Italy since 1993. It is a naked bike characterized by an exposed engine and frame. The trellis frame in the Ducati Monster is an integral part of the motorcycle's design, allowing for both aesthetic appeal and for structural efficiency. In 2005, Monster sales accounted for over half of Ducati's worldwide sales, and Ducati motorcycles use 90-degree V-twin engines, which they call L-twins, with desmodromic valves and tubular steel trellis frame designed by Fabio Taglioni. The Monster's elemental simplicity has also made it a favorite platform for custom motorcycle builders. Showcased at competitions like the Monster Challenge, Monsters eventually accounted for 2/3 or more of Ducati's output. And for further information on the Ducati Monster S4, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.